Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to post on Reddit mobile. So let's get started. Now once you open the Reddit application, you'd need to tap on the plus sign that is to the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on the plus sign you'd be met with some options. So as you can see, there are quite a few options of what you can actually post. So you can post text, links, image, videos, polls, predictions, talk, and there is a new option called live chat. So for example, I'm going to be using text for the purpose of the video, and you simply need to add a title to your text. So I'll be adding Daily Tech Channel, and you can add a body to your text. That is optional, that is not a must, but just for example I'll be adding a body to my text quickly. And once you've added the necessary information that you want, you simply need to tap on the next, that is to the top right of the screen, after which you would need to select your community that you want to post to. So you'd be met with some of the communities that you're already subscribed to. However, if the community that you want to post to is not there, you could simply search for it by using the search bar. And I'm simply going to be searching for a YouTube community, and you could simply tap on any one of these. And once you've selected the community that you want to post to, you would need to add a flair that is required in order to post. And once you've added the flair that you want, you simply need to tap on the post option that is in the top right of the screen, and your post would be live on Reddit. And you also have the option to view your posts as well. So that's pretty much how you go about posting on Reddit mobile. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.